Did you know? The average person spends over 20 hours baking cookies every year. That's a lot of time. I am Hannah from Blogging Good Food. Well, today I am here to change that. Forget preheating ovens and waiting for dough to rise. I am sharing the secret to make incredible no-bake cookies in just minutes. To make these no-bake cookies, you will need the following tools: a large saucepan, a wooden spoon, a baking sheet, parchment paper, and finally a cookie scoop or a tablespoon. And these are the ingredients you will need: 1/2 cup or 113 grams of unsalted butter, 2 cups or 400 grams of a granulated sugar, 1/4 cup or 22 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup or 125 grams of creamy peanut butter. You can use any kind of nut butter instead of peanut butter, such as almond butter, cashew butter, or sunflower seed butter. Just make sure it's creamy and not too runny. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups or 270 grams of quick oats. You can add some extra ingredients to your cookies such as chocolate chips, nuts, dried fruits, or shredded coconut. Just stir them in with the oats for some extra crunch and texture. Now, let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. In a large saucepan over medium to high heat, combine the butter, sugar, cocoa powder, milk, and salt. Bring the mixture to a boil, stirring occasionally, and then let it boil for 1 minute. Step 2. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in the peanut butter and vanilla extract until smooth and well combined. Step 3. Add the oats and mix well until all the oats are coated with the chocolate mixture. Step 4. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and drop the cookie mixture by rounded tablespoons onto the prepared sheet. You can use a cookie scoop or a regular spoon for this step. Step 5. Let the cookies cool and set at room temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes or refrigerate them for faster results. And that's it. You have just made no-bake cookies with minimal effort and maximum flavor. You can store your cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days or in the refrigerator for up to a week. You can also freeze them for up to 3 months and thaw them at room temperature before enjoying. Wow, that was fast and delicious. These no-bake cookies are the perfect treat for any occasion. I hope you loved making them with me as much as I did. If you did, please show some love by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more fabulous recipes.